Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about 5 jobs that anybody can do, beginners with zero experience, and you start your journey on making money online. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Faiza. I share ways you can make money online. Please subscribe, and of course for those who have been with me, thank you so much. Let's proceed. So one of the job that you can do as a beginner is called freelance writing. What is freelance writing? It's basically you have the skill of writing and you sell that skill online. And which website can you go to sell these skills of writing? You can go to platform like Upwork, Fiverr.com, or Freelancer, which offer opportunity for freelancers from around the world. You can start with blog posts, articles, or content creation for website. Remember, you are a freelancer who writes, but you have no experience whatsoever. They accept freelancers from around the world. They don't choose whether you're based in Kenya, Nairobi, Africa, or whichever part of the world you're in. How much can you earn as a freelancer on this platform? You can end up earning over $300 $300 per week, or even $300 per month, or even more than that. There are people who are earning over $1,000 per week, those who have established themselves, and depending on the niche you're in, depending on how much you're charging, the prices vary. Remember, the people who are charging like $100 per hour, and the people who charge like $10 per hour. It's up to you to decide. Remember, they don't you are allowed to set up your own prices, and setting up your account is free of charge. They don't charge you anything. So guys, if you're interested, go on Upwork.com, go on Fiverr.com, apply for this opportunity, because they are looking for you, they are waiting for you, because this is an online marketplace. They post jobs every single day, 365 days in a year, so you do not miss any job whatsoever. So let's proceed to the next job that you can do as a beginner freelancer on this platform. The other one is called virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is literally where you are assisting someone to do work. You are doing administration job at the comfort of your home. The company is based in America, you are based maybe in Kenya, you are based maybe in Nigeria, you are based maybe in South Africa, and you are doing this administration types of job. So many businesses and entrepreneurs are in need of virtual assistant. Tasks may include email management, scheduling, data entry, and other administrative work. So websites that offer this type of jobs are example remote.co, upwork.com, freelancer.com, guru.com. These are the online marketplaces where they post jobs every single day, and your work is just to go on this platform, you sign up, and you create your profile and start bidding for those jobs, and you start working online. Remember, you are more likely to start being paid around $10 per hour, $20 per hour. Those who have established themselves, of course, their prices are going to be a bit high. So if you're interested, please go on this platform and do not miss out on this opportunity. The other job that you can do as a freelancer is called online surveys. What are these online surveys? Online surveys are you participate in online survey or writing product reviews can be a simple way to make some extra money. So websites are where you can get this type of job is simple. Like Swagbuck is known for that, Survey Junkie is known for that, Amazon Mechanical Turk, they offer such opportunities. Your work is just to go on this platform, okay? You go on this platform, you sign up, you create a profile, you say the types of job you are looking for, you look for those jobs, and you start earning money online. Remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme. These are jobs which are supposed to allow you to earn some extra $100, $200, $300, $500, just to be able to pay your bills. But as you build your reputation, as you build your profile, and start working with more clients on this platform, then you end up building up your profession, and people will start and your people will start giving you more jobs and start earning more money. Remember, the first step is you to start the job. You work with first client, second client, third client. Before you know it, you've already created a reputation that people identify you as someone who deliver quality work. And when you increase your prices, people will still work with you, because everybody wants to work with someone who deliver quality work. So guys, go ahead and do not miss out on this opportunity. The other job is called social media management. Social media management is where everything is right now. Remember, businesses right now, they have already moved to social media platform. This is where their target customers are. So what is social media management? If you're familiar with platform like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, you can offer social media management services. Many small businesses are looking for help in managing their social media presence. Yes, it's true. Why? Because social media management is all about dealing with content. The only way companies can sell their product services is to engage with their clients on this social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. That's how it is. So people social media manager like content creator, Their work is just to post content on this platform, and of course promote your product, the services, and target it to the audience that you want, your customers, where they are. And then of course those content are supposed to make engagement, customer to relate with your content, customer to talk to you, customer talk to the brand, customer to talk with the brand or services you're promoting, and in the process you will end up getting leads or sales for the products or services you are promoting. So yes, social media management is another way, another way to make money online. How much can you earn? You can end up earning $1,000 if you're starting out, $2,000, $5,000 per month, and there are people who are earning over 100,000 per month, or even 100,000 per day or per week, depending on how much you're charging, your experience, how many clients you are, all that it matters. But as a beginner with zero experience, of course the prices are going to be a bit lower, and as you build your reputation, as you build your brand, then now you can increase your prices, and you end up earning over $100,000 per week, over $200 per week, and much more. Another platform you can earn money online is called graphic design. What is graphic design? Graphic design is whereby you design, okay, social media platform is where we are. That's where the money is. That's where it's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it's not going anywhere. And that's where we are. Everything is being done on the phone. Everything is being done on or using our laptops. So graphic design it play a big part when it comes to social media. So platform like Canva provide tools for graphic design, and you can offer your services for creating social media graphics, logos, or simple design. As you gain experience, you can move on to more complex design projects. And yes, Canva is a place where things are being done easily for you. You create designs that you want, because all the tools are there, all the designs are being done there. It's just a matter of adding one graphic or 2, 3, and come up with your own design and start uploading on this social media platform. And how much can you earn as a graphic designer? To start with, you can earn as low as $100, $200 per week, $500 per week, and you can go as high, earning as much as $20,000, $50,000 per week, or even much more than that, depending on how much you're charging clients, and of course the brand you're in. How many clients are you working with, and your brand, is it known or identify delivering quality work? Remember, people who deliver quality work, they always charge more money. And the more money they charge, the more money they end up earning, and more people want to work with them, because everybody wants to work with someone who delivers quality work. So let's proceed to the next job that you can do as a beginner on this platform. So the other platform you can do. Okay, so now as you start your journey becoming earning money online as a freelancer on this 2024, please remember to showcase your skills, build a brand, build a portfolio, even if it's small one. Just start. Okay, there's nothing like saying, oh, I want this, and yet you're not doing anything about it, because you'll always be dreaming, and the year will go by, time will go by. So just start, even if it's a small one. Just start, create your portfolio, then talk to your clients. Go to this social media platform, that's where your clients are. Talk to them, inbox people. Go to this online marketplace like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, PeoplePower.com. This is where those websites are. I mean, jobs are. They post jobs every single day. Go for those jobs. Apply, don't give up. Start, work, get paid. Is as simple as that. So to increase your chances of landing online jobs, you need to apply, create that portfolio, and then deliver high quality work and deliver work on time. Believe you me, you'll start earning around $200, $300, $500 per week, and of course you might even end up over $20,000 per month, $100,000 per month, as you build your reputation, as you build your brand, as more people know you and identify you as someone who deliver high quality work. So guys, you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, drop your comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you have any question whatsoever, I'd love to hear from you guys. Bye bye.